Hey guys, so I am playing Roblox today and I'm gonna announce my announcement and the game I'm playing. But this isn't the game. I'm just gonna say, guys, got to go bye. Need to do something. Might come later. Might come later. Okay. So I just did it, and so you go to creation. And here's my game. 5 people have visited, but I don't know. I know that one of my friends have, because I've told them. Guys, can you please purchase my gear? Because I really need Robux. My hair. You press start there. And then you have to start running. Like run. I'll play this game already. And then you just follow the instructions. It's very simple, but it's very hard at the same time. Yeah. A lot of game, and please play it, because I really worked hard on it. I put background trees for some reason. Oh look, so hot. So guys, remember to play it, 'cause like I worked hard on it, and yeah, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, see ya. And this is a quick video, but everyone's been messaging me like, why haven't you uploaded the announcement? You said it would be in a week and stuff, and you uploaded other videos. I'm like, I'll get to it. Yes, I'll get to it. And now I did it, so hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I actually never know why it says points award. You received 216 points. So guys, bye.